Today's question: why should I consider a standalone HIPAA release as part of my estate plan? A HIPAA release has to do with the Health Insurance Portability Act, the federal law governing your medical records. They cannot release those records to anyone but you under the HIPAA laws. Now, if you execute a power of attorney document for healthcare with my office, inside that, the agent you name will be authorized to receive your medical records under HIPAA. Where this can become a problem is if your the person on your agent under your financial power of attorney or the trustee under your trust is often not the same person as your healthcare power of attorney, and for good reason. These people may need access to your medical records to get a doctor's opinion to sign off that you're incapacitated, meaning you're unable to manage your financial affairs, so that they can act under your financial power of attorney or trust document. If they don't have access to your medical records, they can't talk with the doctor about it in order to get that authorization. Now your healthcare power of attorney could do this in concert with them, but if it's not the same person, in some cases it is the same person, your trustee, your healthcare, your financial, but for many reasons you have someone who you trust to make your medical decisions, but they're not necessarily the same person to do the financial. That's where the standalone HIPAA release can come in. The HIPAA release authorizes your financial agent or trustee to access your medical records just for the purpose of becoming authorized under their document to act. They don't have the authority to make medical decisions for you like your healthcare power of attorney. They simply have the access to your medical records so that if you have a springing power of attorney for finances or a clause in your trust stating a doctor must sign off as to your incapacity before your trustee may act, then they can get access to this so the doctor can provide that statement so they can be activated under your financial power of attorney or trust document. That's why a HIPAA release can be a very valuable piece of your comprehensive estate plan, and talk with your attorney about whether it makes sense to have a standalone HIPAA release in your specific situation. Great question, and thanks for asking.